Are we living inside a black hole? A stunning possibility backed by James Webb's newest discovery. One of the most mind-bending mysteries in modern astrophysics is this: what really lies inside a black hole? While theories abound, some scientists believe the answer might be surprisingly simple, yet utterly profound. According to a growing number of experts, it's not just possible, but highly likely that we are inside one. Yes, you read that right. Our entire universe may have been born from the heart of a massive black hole. Even more astonishing, a recent observation by the James Webb Space Telescope might be supporting this very idea. But how could this be true? Aren't black holes cosmic monsters that destroy everything in their path? Well, not quite. Let's explore this mystery step by step. Stay tuned until the end. You'll want to hear what the Webb telescope has uncovered and why it's making even veteran scientists rethink the fabric of reality. Black holes, the universe's most extreme architects. Black holes are among the most extreme objects in the universe. Their gravity is so powerful, they warp space and time, swallowing anything that ventures too close. But not all black holes are created equal. On the smaller end of the spectrum are stellar black holes, formed when massive stars exhaust their fuel and explode in a supernova. Their leftover cores collapse into dense, compact objects with a mass between 3 and 10 times that of our Sun. On the opposite end lie the supermassive black holes, cosmic giants with millions or even billions of solar masses. Every major galaxy, including our Milky Way, has one at its center. Ours is called Sagittarius A, and it weighs about 4.3 million solar masses. But despite their reputation as destroyers, black holes don't obliterate everything around them. In fact, their intense gravity can help shape galaxies, spark the birth of stars, and power quasars, the brightest objects in the universe. So if these monsters are so destructive, how can galaxies exist around them? Surprisingly, objects can orbit black holes just like they would any other massive body, as long as they don't get too close. But once something crosses the event horizon, the point of no return, it's pulled in forever. What's inside a black hole? We understand fairly well what happens outside a black hole. But inside, that's where physics breaks down. According to Einstein's general relativity, matter crushed into a black hole forms a singularity, a point of infinite density, where gravity and space-time become completely warped. At this point, known laws of physics stop working. Some researchers argue that such a singularity may not exist at all, and that something else must be happening at the black hole's core. One dramatic theory suggests that what lies beyond the event horizon is another universe. Black holes as cosmic gateways. Some scientists believe black holes may act as portals to other universes. Matter that falls in could be ejected elsewhere, through a theoretical structure called a wormhole, possibly connecting black holes to white holes, which hypothetically emit matter instead of consuming it. While white holes haven't been observed, they remain mathematically valid solutions to Einstein's equations. But perhaps even more fascinating is the idea put forward by theoretical physicist Nikolai Pavlovsky and others, that black holes might actually give birth to entire universes. According to this view, once matter in a black hole becomes compressed beyond a certain limit, it could trigger a cosmic seed to explode outward, creating a new universe in the process. This would mean that each black hole could be a bridge between worlds, linking a parent universe to its baby universe. And we might be living in one of those babies. James Webb's surprising clue. This idea might sound far-fetched until you hear what the James Webb Space Telescope has recently observed. A team led by Lur Shamir at Kansas State University analyzed over 260 early galaxies in a region of space called the Jades Field. What they discovered was highly unexpected. About 2/3 of these galaxies were rotating clockwise, while only 1/3 rotated in the opposite direction. In a random universe, one would expect an even 50-50 split. So why this bias? Well, Pavlovsky's theory suggests that if our universe was born from a spinning black hole in a parent universe, that original rotation would be imprinted onto the galaxies it birthed. That's exactly what this observation suggests. and it aligns with a theoretical model known as Schwarzschild cosmology, which proposes that our universe is the interior of a black hole in a larger mother universe. Could the universe be inside a black hole? If that's the case, then every black hole could spawn a new universe. Each would inherit some of its parents' characteristics, like rotation direction, and potentially even different physical laws. This would mean black holes aren't just destructive, they're creative. They don't just end worlds, they may begin them. And if that's true, then we might be living inside one right now. Final thoughts. Of course, much of this remains theoretical, but discoveries like those made by the James Webb Telescope are adding real data to ideas that were once purely speculative. The line between science fiction and science is growing thinner, and the more we observe, the more it seems that reality is far stranger than we ever imagined. So, are we inside a black hole? Only time and more discoveries will tell.